Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are opening our Petit Vour box for May. They have been very inconsistent lately, so let's go ahead and see what we got this month. So here's our card. It says bloom and be happy. It looks like we're getting 4 items, so let's tuck right in. The first one is a pencil of some sort. It says Noir by Antonym, I think is what it says. Here's what that looks like. And this is a $21 value, a certified natural water resistant eye pencil that has a soft and smooth application with rich color payoff, suitable for creating a precise line on the upper eyelid or perfect smudge for a sultry smoky eye. I'm gonna assume this is black. Comes with its own sharpener, which is very cool, built in. Oh, that's actually on the butt end, so yes, it's just a nice creamy black eyeliner. We actually haven't been getting a ton of eyeliners, so I'm not mad about this. I feel like back in the day, every other box, every other month was sending you an eyeliner. So I'm really not mad about this. And it does seem like a nice product, really great dark payoff, and I love that it comes with its own sharpener. That's really cool. I probably will hold on to this and keep it because it comes off and it looks like it can go on any standard size pencil, so that's really cool. The next item is from Upcircle. These are hemp and cotton makeup pads, 7 reusable rounds. So let me go ahead and pull one out. So these are actually pretty large rounds, which is nice, and it looks like they come with a bag to wash them in so they don't go all over your wash machine and dryer, which is nice too. That's pretty cool. I don't really use these to remove my makeup, but I definitely would give them a try. I tend to use cotton rounds for like when I want to be really precise with a liquid product, like a specific acne product or something, but I'm gonna give them a try because why not? So these are a $13 value for this little box of them. Use these pads to effectively remove makeup, foundation, eye makeup, waterproof mascara, and general dirt and pollution. 7 pads for each day of the week. When ready, simply put them in the wash bag in the washing machine and clean and reuse. That's very cool. So I'm not mad about that either. It's been a long time since I've gotten this type of product, and some of mine are actually starting to look a little gross, so definitely cool. Not mad about that either. The next item I'm pretty sure I'm already not gonna like. This is the Goldfaden MD Needle-less Line Smoothing Concentrate. We've gotten this before. I didn't like it then. I know I'm not gonna like it now. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my giveaway box because I just don't like Goldfaden MD personally. But I will read you the description. It's a $10 value. This smoothing serum is the ultimate non-invasive solution to reduce the appearance of fine line depth, increase skin suppleness, and create a smooth, flawless finish. This pure hyaluronic acid and advanced hexapeptides make skin feel plumped, appear firm, and diminish the appearance of fine lines and deep creases. I don't find it does any of that personally, but maybe whoever eventually wins the giveaway will have a different experience. The last product is from Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. And the description says, here's what it looks like. This is a $20 value, a clean beauty formula that combines the power of turmeric root extract and sea buckthorn fruit oil to brighten, smooth, and hydrate skin. With its organic ingredients and skin nourishing properties, this mask helps to improve the skin's texture, plumpness, and overall health. Now, I think I actually have this, but it may have came from the Kinder Beauty box when that was still a thing. But it was like in a plastic squeeze tube, so I wonder if this is like a size up. You know what? I'm gonna go grab it. Okay, I grabbed the one I already have, and this is 1.01 fluid ounces, and this is 2 fluid ounces. So yeah, this must be like the full size product, and I do love that it's in a glass jar. These squeeze tubes are nice, and I do feel like they keep the product a little more hygienic, but they're really hard when you get down to the very bottom to get all the product out. Unless you cut it open, you're fighting with these little tubes. So I do kind of like when a mask comes in a glass jar, but yeah, really cool that I now have a full size because I have enjoyed this, I think, the 1 or 2 times I've used it already. So not mad about this either. Okay, if we look at this box on the whole, I actually think it's better than many recent boxes have been. This is the only product I'm really disappointed in. I'm pretty sure I've gotten it from Petit Vour specifically before, and I don't like it. So, I guess someone out there probably likes this. I'm sure there are plenty of people that like Gold Fad and MD. I am just not one of them. This is definitely something I've not gotten in any box from this specific brand. And I gotta tell you, they do feel luxe and high quality. These do feel like nice cotton rounds. So I'm excited about that and trying those out. Even though I've gotten this product before, I don't think it was from Petit Vour, and I really appreciate that it's in glass and it is a full-size product. That's very fun. And it's been forever and a day since I've actually gotten a black eyeliner in a box. So I'm not mad about getting a black eyeliner. And I love this packaging with the removable sharpener that you can then transfer onto other pencils. So even though an eyeliner is a temporary product, you're not going to have it forever. I like how you get a forever item with this. The sharpener is so nice and would be great for travel. So very happy about this. 3 out of 4 items, pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and give this like a B+. I like this box. I think this was a pretty good one. It's so annoying that like it's like every other month. It's great or it sucks. It's great or it sucks. So that is the trepidation with these boxes. I do think we are exiting the golden era of subscription boxes with inflation and the economy and how expensive it is to ship things. I just think that the best time to be alive for a subscription box has already ended. And I kind of just think it is what it is. But either way, this one was not bad at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.